Fundamentals of Health and Safety Management. Health and Safety Management, Class 1. Understand health and safety fundamentals. Identify workplace hazards. Recognize the value of health and safety. Understand legal and ethical responsibilities. Let's delve into the critical aspects of health and safety. Health and safety refers to protecting individuals from risks in the workplace. What it covers includes physical safety, mental health, and occupational health. Focus. Always prioritize safe practices at work. Hazards can cause harm and exist in every workplace. Types of hazards: chemical hazards, noise, dust, and stress. Identify, recognize, and report hazards immediately. Adequate health and safety practices enhance overall workplace performance. Benefits: boosts morale, reduces costs, and prevents accidents. Engage. Encourage open communication about safety. Organizations must comply with laws regarding workplace safety. Know your duties. Follow national regulations and ethical guidelines. Commit. Always adhere to safety protocols. Let's discuss real scenarios to reinforce our understanding. A worker spills chemicals on the floor. What should they do? Pause and assess. Is the area secure? Are safety measures in place? Immediate action. Notify supervisors and clean the spill safely. An employee feels overwhelmed and stressed due to workload. Identify signs. Are new tasks manageable? Is support available? Take action. Speak with management about workload issues. Everyone is responsible for safety. Recognizing hazards is vital. Health and safety enhances productivity. Compliance with laws is crucial. Please subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for future classes. Thank you for joining our health and safety training.